In last week's video with Blake and Gabi and their awesome ProMaster, there was so much great information in there that I wasn't able to fit in. And so this week I want to bring you the changes that they wanted to make on their van.
We love van life, and now that we have done it, we're always looking at other people's vans, and we're always looking online on YouTube to see how we can upgrade this little space, how we can make it more efficient, and how we can make it better so we can reuse the van and just like change it over, and we're just gonna get back out there.
Hi, I'm Blake, and this is my girlfriend Gabi, and this is our 2014 Ram ProMaster. Some improvements we're going to make. Our fridge right now is permanently fixed, and we have a lot of dead space above the refrigerator. So we're going to add some slides so the refrigerator can come out of that cavity, and we'll also build a drawer to hold our range and some other cooking utensils and some maybe loose propane cans if we have to. We also plan to cut the countertop in half and mount the stove, or make a tray for the stove underneath the counter so we can flip up the counter and cook right there, but also remove it if needed if we're at like a picnic area. I suffer a little bit because I've wasted a good amount of space hanging a nailer up to hold the walls, so I don't actually fit on the bed. I have to sleep diagonal because I'm 6'1", so in the near future I'm going to take the walls down, and we're going to add a window frame inside the van so that we can gain an extra 1.5 inches at the foot of our bed and at the head of our bed, and we'll push that wall to the insulation on the inside cavity of the wall. So we kind of skimped out on the insulation, which we're regretting now, but we only used about a 1/4 inch rubber mat with some like Thinsulate on it from Home Depot, and 1/4 inch subfloor with some laminate tongue and groove flooring. It isn't really too ideal for maintaining temperature of the floor. Yeah, we're also going to remove our floor because we went so skimpy on our subfloor because our ceiling material is so thick. I wanted to be able to stand up in the van. And because we did that, our floor is actually starting to wave and match like the factory ProMaster floor. So we're going to add some closed cell insulation foam like underneath, and then maybe do like a 1/2 inch subfloor instead of a 1/4 inch to save our floating floor.
They also had a couple of tips for general van life. Check it out.
Our friend Dave Peabody, Pibbs for short, he showed us about this DeWalt blow dryer. It was $100 from Home Depot. It works great for blowing out the van, drying off the dog, drying our clothes, drying our shoes in a pinch. I was a big fan of the DeWalt tool, so it was a no-brainer to get this, and it's better than a vacuum in my opinion. It also works really well to inflate tubes or floats or rafts or anything that you might need to blow up with air. Another cool tip is we buy the Viva brand paper towels. They're a little bit pricey, but we like them because they stick together, so we can actually drive with the windows open with the paper towel roll right there, and it doesn't unravel the whole roll in the wind, which kind of works well.
Little van life quirks.
Awesome.
We're excited to keep moving and change it up and get back on the road again.
If you like this video with Blake and Gabi and the changes that they're going to make on their ProMaster, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you know when new episodes are released. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.